stimulating the tension and
after days of intense competition.
Dito lamang sa Eastside.
To office blood.
A pleasant afternoon, Nationalians! We are here in front of Eastside, the official booth of Eastside, and here I am with
Alex po.
Gab.
Hey, what are your expectations during this University Week?
I am expecting for this University Week to be full of surprises sa mga booths and of course fun and tsaka yung mga sobrang interactive booths talaga.
Ano po, sobrang laki ng expectation ko sa University Week kesa sa mga like courses week like Psych Week, ganyan. And I'm expecting a lot talaga. To be, siguro to be unforgettable and memorable.
After experiencing Eastside, how would you describe it in 3 words?
Horrifying, fun, and exciting.
Fun, scary, and
Spectacular.
spectacular daw.
Alright, thank you.
I'm here with Jamie and
JD.
in front of the Eastside. So, are you enjoying the University Week so far?
Yes po.
Yes po.
And of all the booths that you've encountered, what is the best one you've been to?
Yung Eastside po.
Yung Eastside din po. Although, ito pa lang yung pinakaunang booth na pumuntahan namin, but I think ito po yung pinaka-may-enjoy namin so far.
And what do you expect for the following days of the University Week?
More exciting po sana. Not like today po, medyo ang dami po kasi parang, parang dead air kumbaga, ganun.
Ganun din po. Wala pong masyadong nangyari today pero makikita po natin. Sana mas maging exciting pa po.
Thank you so much!